everyone, I'm here at the Shapoto scenic spot on the edge of the Tengger Desert, the fourth largest desert in China. It feels like I'm journeying along the ancient Silk Road. It's really exciting. This summer, desert tourism is booming. More than 10,000 tourists flock to Shapoto each day. Beyond camel rides, tourists can dive into plenty of exhilarating activities, such as zooming down 70-meter-high sand dunes, off-roading through the desert, and flying over the Yellow River, among others. In fact, the Shapoto scenic spot is not only a paradise for sand activities, but also the perfect place to admire the majestic Yellow River up close. Taking the sheepskin raft and listening to folk songs sung by the rafter like I am doing now feels nostalgic and incredibly relaxing. The sheepskin raft is a time-honored aquatic vehicle once essential for traversing the Yellow River. Today, grand bridges and electric ships offer modern convenience, making the skill of crafting these rafts less known. This unique craft is now preserved as an intangible cultural heritage. In the past, there were no accommodations in the desert, and tourists wouldn't stay longer than a day. In recent years, however, camping tents and luxurious hotels have been erected in the desert, offering new services like sand therapy and stargazing guides to cater to the diverse needs of tourists. Apart from excitement and liveliness, you can also find peace and silence and indulge in some inward thinking in the desert. This newly built cluster of guest houses is like a mirage in the desert. From the outside, you might mistake them for common old-styled rural houses, but stepping inside, luxurious furniture and services are waiting to amaze you. The location of Zhongwei City, narrowly encroached by the Tengger Desert, used to be a downside restricting its development. Now it has been turned into an irreplaceable advantage, transforming the city into a hot tourist resort. Behind the transformation are the continuous efforts of scientists and local farmers who have been working together for decades to combat desertification, leading to dramatic changes in the local environment and ecology. Welcome to Zhongwei, to the Tengger Desert, and to the Yellow River.